This is our power strip hidden camera, fully functional. So you got 3, 6, 9, 12, plus you can plug in your USB items right here. You got a hidden camera here, a Wi-Fi board built-in 32 gigabyte storage. Straight recording gets you about 50 hours, but if you set it on motion, you should be able to get several weeks of activity. Plus you have a power cord, so plug it in, you don't have to worry about changing batteries. Once powered on, the rest of the setup is on your phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Next, you will show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to spicecenter.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.